In this video, I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot. And as a bonus, I'm going to show you how to look for shortcut keys on your Chromebook if you don't know how to do that yet. So, first off, the shortcut keys. In order to find the shortcut keys, what you need to do is you need to hold down the Control button and the Alt button, and then hit the question mark. When you do that, what will pop up on your screen is basically a keyboard. And then what you can do with this keyboard is you can hold down the Control button, for example, and you can look at what all of the buttons will do if the Control button is held down. For example, you can see that you can take a screenshot by hitting the switch window key. And the switch window key, by the way, is the key with the rectangle and then the two lines next to it. So if you hold down Control and hit that, it will take a screenshot. You can also see what happens when you hold down the Alt key. You can see what happens when you hold down Control and Alt at the same time, or Control and Shift at the same time, for example. Now, this is actually what we're going to use, because if I hold down Control and Shift at the same time, you'll notice up here that that same button that has the rectangle and the two bars is the screenshot region. And that's actually what I want to take, is I just want to take a region that I can use for my screenshot. If you want to take the whole window, then you just hit Control and do this. If you want to take a specific region, you do Control and Shift and then do this. So you can go through and see any of the different shortcuts that are built into the Chromebook keyboard. Now I'm going to hit Escape, and then I'm actually going to take a screenshot. And I'm just going to take a simple screenshot of the Google picture here. So I'm going to do Control and then Shift and then hit that screenshot key, and you'll notice that my mouse turns into a plus sign. That will put me on one corner of my screenshot. So once I'm where I want my mouse to be, I'm going to hold down, I'm going to click and hold down on the mouse pad, and then I'm going to move so that I create a region, and once I'm happy with my region, I'm going to let go. My screenshot has been taken. If I want to, I can copy it to the clipboard and then paste it somewhere. For example, if I wanted to paste it into a doc or something like that, I could do that by just hitting copy to clipboard and then paste. The other option that I have is this has now been saved to a file on my Chromebook. So I can get to that file by going to my launcher down at the bottom, and I can go to my files. If you don't see files here, you can go to all apps and find your files somewhere within all of your apps. And when I click on that, I will find my screenshot on this page. You'll notice this screenshot right here is the one that I just took, and this is currently on my my Chromebook itself. So if I want to move this somewhere, for example, if I want to move it somewhere into my drive, I can grab it and move it over to my drive. Or if I want to open up my drive and find the correct folder, I can grab it and move it over to whichever folder that I want to, and then it will move into that folder in my drive, and then that screenshot will be saved there. Okay, so that's the process for doing screenshots on a Chromebook.